Hey everyone, good afternoon. It is Sunday today. Hope everybody's having a safe and happy weekend. I figured I would be roasting some okra today. A little something healthy, really simple, easy, yummy. It's a quick addition to add to as a side dish or just an appetizer if that's what you like. Okay, here I go. Now I've got 1 pound of okra. Okay, this okra here I bought from the local farmers market here. So it was fresh okra and I froze it up, here. So, but I'm going to use it frozen. Okay, I'm gonna put that in there. That's 1 pound of okra, and then I'm adding a teaspoon. This is smoked paprika. You can use, this is what I had on hand. You can use any flavor paprika you want to. Matter of fact, you can use any seasoning you want to. I'm all about making the seasoning of your choice. Yeah, everybody's taste buds are different. It calls for a half a teaspoon of the sea salt, but I am out of the sea salt. So what I'm using is garlic salt, and then it calls for a whole teaspoon of garlic powder. And you know me, I love my garlic stuff, so I put a little bit of extra garlic flavor in there, and then we're just gonna toss that around. It's frozen, but hey, it's tossing anyway. Okay, now I know my jokes are not funny. Okay, then we're gonna put in 1 tablespoon and a half of melted butter. Just put that on that. All that goodness. We're just gonna coat that up. Okay, after I tossed all that together, then I put it get a cookie sheet, and lay it with a parchment paper and just spread it a single layer across there. I'm fixing to put it in the oven at 450 degrees, and I'm gonna check on it after 5 minutes. Here, after 5 minutes, I check it, and then I just turn it around, or stir it rather. It's already done after the 5 minutes, as you can tell here, but I want it more roasted, crispier, crunchy. Okay, I'm gonna put this back in the oven and check on it in another 5 minutes.